Hello! This video tutorial will walk you through how to use the Search feature and Filter tab in the Pathfinder tool. This tool was developed to help students and advisors easily search for the courses that are offered at UB or have been transferred in that will satisfy the Pathways requirement of the UB curriculum. To get started, log into the Pathfinder tool and search for a student. Once you are viewing the student, click on the Course Filter tab. At the top, you will now see a green box that highlights the transfer coursework brought in by the student that will help satisfy the pathway requirements. As a reminder, students will see the wildcard courses in a green box at the bottom of each List 1 or List 2 for a topic where they are applicable. Direct Articulations will show the green Transfer button next to the course. The filter tool itself gives you a variety of options to narrow down courses, when they are offered, what areas they cover, and if it also satisfies the Diversity Learning Foundation requirement, and what pathways, topics, and lists the course lives in. Say, for example, the student wants to use Transfer Course Music 115 in one of their pathways. I can use the Course Names filter box to search for the course to see where it lives. Once they identify the course, the student then can go back to the appropriate Global or Thematic Pathway tab, make the appropriate selections, save the selections, and then save to Hub. It is very important that they remember to save these changes to Hub so that the coursework transferred in can be appropriately applied to the student's AAR. Thanks for watching!